Hello friends. So today we are going to learn about Boolean and the new add-on on Boolean. So let's start with that. We can take our new model by pressing Shift A, and you can take your desired model. We'll take a cube here, for example. Just place it where you want. Then we'll select the original one where we want to use a Boolean. Then go to the modifier tab, click on the Boolean. So we have three types of Boolean: difference, union, and intersect. Let's start with difference. So for that, first we have to select this eyedropper and we have to click the another object. Then the Boolean is done. So to check that, you can press H to hide that. As you can see, the Boolean is already done. If you permanently want to take the Boolean, what you have to do, you have to apply on that. Then delete your model. Yep, it's done. The another Booleans, select your own model, then go to union. Then you can apply it. Then you can check actually what's now that both object will be comes together. We'll check another one. This one is intersect. If you click on the intersect, so what's happened now? The in between model of this two model is remain now. So these trees are there, and another thing is we have a new add-on on that Boolean that I'm going to show you. So first what you have to do, you have to go to edit, then preference, then search for Bool. So the name is Bool Tool. So already I have that. If you don't have, so what you have to do, you have to click on the tick icon like this. Then you can start work. So let's take another shape. So now what you have to do, first you have to select the another model, then you have to select the original model by pressing shift. Then you can use control minus to use that Boolean. So now you can select the another model and you can give your desired shape. Second one is you can press the another model, then the shift original model, then you can press control plus. So by that you can get the union Boolean. And the third one is you have to click the another model, then select your original model, then press control star on the numpad. So you'll get that intersect Boolean. So that's it. So if you have any doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thanks for watching. Sign off.